And hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. So as a requested video, I'm going to show you guys two different ways to make animations with your Android device. I would have showed you a PC, but my Wi-Fi is off, so PC is out of the question. So let's get started. Now the first one is called FlipAClip. FlipAClip is basically a way to draw your own animations. I don't really have a very good drawing skill, but I drew a small or a short animated video of a paper getting crumbled. Basically they gave you a canvas and you have a few options on the side like colors and what type of pencil, text and stuff like that to use in order to make your own animation. This does take a while, but it doesn't really take a while to getting used to. Pretty quick to learn. It takes you about 5 minutes and you'll understand what's happening. Basically, it's just a way you can draw, but you can make animations with it. Now, if you're willing to spend about around an hour making 3 frames, then I recommend you get this because then you can basically make a pretty good animation if you spend around an hour making just 3 frames. You also got a lot of options to change the frame rate and maybe change the aspect ratio. It's all up to you. They'll also give you a few ways to see what type of frame rate you want. I usually make my videos at 12 FPS to 15 FPS. So yeah, but it's nice that they give you these examples. They also give you a few example drawings, if I'm correct, and it's pretty nice. Here's the end result of what I've been drawing, and you can decide for yourself if this is what you're into. Here's a few of the example animations they give you, and you can decide for yourself if this is the kind of thing you want to do. If it's not, then I have another solution. This is a Stickman animation app which is called DrawingCartoons too. Basically, this allows you to draw Stickman cartoons. It is actually very useful if you just know how to use it. It takes quite a while to get used to. It takes around 2 hours and then you will be used to the whole thing, but it's pretty cool. You can make some pretty nice animations. There's a channel that used to use this to make all of their animations. I don't know if it still exists. It was called Random Meme Guy, and he used this to make animations. You can check out his channel. Maybe he still has it, maybe he doesn't. I know at some point I think he lost his channel or something and unsubscribed, but I can remember. It's way back when. Okay, so let's get started. DrawingCartoons 2 has a simple enough interface. It is just an insert button. You can choose what you want from the community or from whatever is there. You can also make your own things by selecting custom or saying edit unit, and you can also edit them. It's pretty basic. It takes just as long, or it's actually quicker than the other one if you want to make really fast animations. It isn't as customizable as the other one though, but it is pretty easy to make animations, especially if you can't draw. So just going through all of the things you have, you can automatically see a bunch of cool things. For example, violence, stickmen from the community, which actually has a pretty good amount of things considering that it's from the community, and it's a pretty nice thing. I love the monsters they make and stuff. And yeah, so here I'm going to show you guys me making a small short animation of basically a spider attacking a stickman. This took me around 30 minutes to make. But it's a really simple animation, and you can make a lot better animations. Just saying, this is just a short 30-minute throw it all together animation that you can make. We'll also show you around the interface and how everything works. Alright, and I'll show you guys the end result, and you guys can decide for yourself if this is what you want. Of course, there is a lot more to this app than what meets the eye, but I've just scratched the surface with both of these apps, and you guys can download them both and test them out if you want. It's basically, do you like to draw? If you like to draw, there's some drawing animations for you. If you like to just slap things on a page and make animations with it, do it. You can make some really lovely animations if you guys just try. You can export on both of these apps and it looks amazing. They're both free and on Play Store. Links are in the description. And thank you for watching. Hope you guys found the app that you wanted, and see you all in the next video.